I'm not an entrepreneur, I'm not super successful, and I'm losing my hair. I want to tell you why it's important to be honest in your content. First off, it used to eat me up that I was not an entrepreneur, right? I want an H-1B visa, I don't have a green card, I can't legally make money, I have a day job, and I podcast about entrepreneurship. I interview other people. It used to eat me up, it used to fill me up with shame that, hey, I'm actually not an entrepreneur, and I'm supposed to be this popular podcaster who knows about entrepreneurship. I didn't, I never said I did, but it used to make me feel full of shit. I never really talked about it, I never posted about my day job, I never posted about my situation. And it fucking sucked. After months and months, I mean almost a year, and multiple people telling me, hey, own your shit, I decided to tell everyone on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, everywhere I post content about entrepreneurship, on my podcast too, hey, I'm not who you think I am. I never said that I was an entrepreneur, but just in case you know, I'm not one, and it freed me. I feel no shame now about my situation. I own it. In many parts of your life, you probably feel the same way, which is you're stuck, or you can't do anything, or you're not something that you want to be. And it holds you back. And when you're making content, you're supposed to be this powerful person who knows what they're doing. You don't have to. Own your shit. Tell the truth. I promise it will take you so far. Just try with the small things and open up about your shit. I mean, really, it hurt when I mentioned my hair. What's gonna happen to it? I don't know. But you can do it. As always, thank you for watching. Alright, so someone gave me shit about not having these. Click here or here to watch more of this show and also subscribe. Actually, don't fucking subscribe. I don't want you to subscribe. I want you to comment. Even if you hate this video, you hated it, comment.